Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel, and today we're creating a double eyeliner look. And this is one of the videos that I did tell you guys that I have an intro, and I also realized I don't have a picture for this look. Shame, 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 shame on me. But I wanted to kind of like show you guys how I create a double eyeliner look. I was kind of rushing, and I think that's why I didn't create an intro and I didn't like take pictures. I was rushing to go see the Spider-Man movie, but I wanted to create this tutorial for you guys so you guys could see how I create this look. I've been like super obsessed with double eyeliner looks, so I wanted to kind of like share with you guys how I create it. But anyways, also I need you guys to let me know what days you want me to drop some videos. I'm willing to drop my videos any other days. Just let me know. I want to post them every week. And also, are you guys liking the TikTok videos that I'm posting on YouTube for you guys to see? Let me know if you do. I appreciate it. And also, hit the like, subscribe to the channel, hit the notification bell, leave a comment. I appreciate it. So I definitely see you guys like later on this week. If you don't follow me on Instagram, please do. It is heyiamalexandria, and I'll see you there. Bye.
So then, why? By creating an imaginary picture. Usually it's something that moves.